Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Lheo and I'll be your online math teacher for this week. I hope everyone is in good health. Before we start our lesson for today, I want you to listen very carefully and try your best to participate with this video. Stop. Alright, so today we are going to talk about adding and subtracting like fractions. What is like fractions? Or we can say similar fractions. When fractions have the same denominator, they are like fractions. You can add or subtract fractions when you have like fractions. These are the examples of like fractions. So if you're going to look, the denominators are all 5. So we can say that these fractions are all like or similar fractions. Adding like fractions. These are the steps. Step 1. Make sure that you have like fractions. Second, add the numerators. Third is write the sum over the denominator. Fourth is write the answer in the simplest form. Alright, so I'm going to give you an example. So I have here 1 over 6, 4 over 6. So first step, make sure that you have like fractions. So 1 over 6 and 4 over 6 are all like fractions already. Second, add the numerators. We are going to add the numerators, which is 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Third steps, write the sum over the denominator. You're just going to write or copy the denominator. So you already have this. So 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6 is equals to 5 over 6. The last step is if the fraction is applicable in the simplest form, or you can say in the simplest form of fraction. We all know that 5 over 6 and 5 is a prime number. So the answer is 5 over 6. Subtracting like fractions. Step 1. Make sure that you have a like fractions. Second, subtract the numerators. Third, write the difference over the denominator. Fourth, write the answer in the simplest form. I have here an example. 7 over 8 and 3 over 8. We are going to subtract them. First step, make sure that you have a like fractions. So 8 is your like fractions. Second, subtract the numerators. So we are going to subtract 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Third step, write the difference over the denominator. Okay, so you have 4 over 8. The last step is applicable in this situation. We all know that 4 over 8 is not a prime number. And 4 over 8 can reduce in the lowest term. Okay, so 4 over 8, what's the final answer? Very good. We have 1/2 because 4 over 8 is a number or divisible by 4. Mixed number. We are going to add or subtract mixed number in only different steps or same step. First, there are 2 ways to change mixed numbers so you can add or subtract it. First, change the mixed number into an improper fraction. Second, change just the fraction and leave the whole number. Let's have an example. Okay, 1 and 1/5 plus 2 and 3/5. First step, add the fractions together. What are the fractions? These are the 1/5 and 3/5. We are going to add 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 and copy the denominator, which is 5. So 1/5 plus 3/5 is equals to 4 over 5. So second, you're going to add the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 1 and 1/5 plus 2 and 3/5 is equals to 3 and 4/5. The answer is 3 and 4/5. Okay, in this situation also, you can apply in the simplifying form if necessary. We all know that 5 is a prime number. Okay? I am going to have an exercise number 1. So, I want you to get a pencil and paper. Then you can answer this in 5 minutes. Okay? Then you are just going to add or subtract and make sure your answer in the simplest form. You can also use a mixed number. Okay? Let's have this one. Alright, so these are the possible answers. Okay, so these are the possible answers, and I want you to check with your answers too. And let us know how many correct or wrong you have in your paper. Okay? And I will explain all of this when you go back to school. Next, exercise number 2. So exercise number 2 is all mixed number. You are going to add or subtract it again. Okay? Are you ready? Go. So these are the possible answers. Alright. So I'll let you know how much you've learned today. So, see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining my class today. Make sure you do your homework and worksheets. And I'll let you know how much you've learned today. See you soon. Bye-bye.